Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. I'm going to go through a very quick tutorial on how to actually use Airtm. Now, Airtm has been around for a while and it's a fantastic platform. So the first thing you're going to go ahead and do is log in, and you're going to verify your account. Over on the left hand side, you can see that there is all of your menu items. So right at the top, there is an add. Okay, so once you're going to add here, you can actually add funds using your P2P network. So if you tap on next over here, you can choose how much money you would like to bring in, and then you can also send funds to your cashier. So once your request is accepted, you'll have your payment information shared and the funds will be sent. So we can go ahead, and over here it says once the cashier confirms your received funds, USDC will be added to your main balance. And you can just go ahead and tap on start, and from here you can enter where you would actually like to have this coming in from. Okay, and of course over here it says to, and this is going to be your Airtm balance. Now, as you can see, they support a whole bunch of third-party payments, so there are many options. Again, we're going to go to withdraw on the left, and from here you can withdraw from your Airtm account to a bunch of options. Now, there's some recommendations, but if you go into the search bar on the right hand side, you can see that there are a bunch of additional recommendations, and then there is also the search bar. So let's say, for example, PayPal. They have the PayPal option, and they have a bunch of other options. So you can really put money from this account to wherever it is that you would like. Depending on what country you are in, different payment options will be available. Some of the other items over here on the left hand side is if you are a cashier, you can actually transfer funds and receive funds from this portal right over here. And then they also have a get paid option, which allows you to join somewhat of a community of affiliate programs. So as you can see over here, you can see it says stop making money online. So you can generate an extra income, you can become a cashier. You can also have an invite link, and then you can also be an ambassador. There are a bunch of benefits, and if you are on social media, you can use these links to generate more money. So just for example, if you tap on generate extra income on the left hand side over here, you can see that it gives you a bit of a rundown on what you can actually expect. So you can go through here and read through all of these tasks and all of these opportunities. So as you can see, there are many opportunities. So back onto the home page on the left hand side, if you need to change any details of your account, you're going to go over to the bottom and you're going to look for the settings tab. Now in the settings tab, you can see everything from your profile information, if your account is verified, all of your security information, payment methods, all your apps that are connected, and you can go ahead and change all of your limits right in over here. And there you go. That's a good old roundup of how to use Airtm. You can go ahead and drop us a like if you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you next time.